Every journey has its own story, but some roads tell a tale that goes beyond the miles. Join Adam as he embarks on a road trip that's more than just a delivery. It's an adventure through the heart of America, from the deserts of Phoenix to the rugged north of Canada. It all starts in Phoenix, Arizona, where the heat is intense but the road is calling. Adam fires up his semi-truck, ready for the long haul. First stop, Route 66. This legendary highway has carried generations of dreamers, travelers, and explorers. And today, Adam's wheels are rolling along the same path. Seligman, this little town is the heartbeat of Route 66, filled with retro diners, old motels, and enough nostalgia to take anyone back in time. As Adam grabs a quick bite at a local diner, you can almost feel the history around him. Every neon sign, every weathered building whispers stories of road trips from a bygone era. As the sun sinks below the horizon, Adam pushes on, his next destination, Las Vegas. The contrast couldn't be sharper, from the quiet roads of Route 66 to the bright lights of the city that never sleeps. Las Vegas is alive with energy, the noise and the neon a far cry from the open desert. After soaking in the city's buzz for a few hours, he's back behind the wheel, heading north to Reno. Out in the Nevada desert, things get a little mysterious. Adam makes his way past the legendary Area 51. The isolation is almost eerie. The only company out here is the night sky, filled with stars that seem to stretch on forever. With the desert's silence wrapping around him, Adam pulls over for the night. It's moments like these that remind you of the freedom the open road offers. Just you, the truck, and the endless sky above. Morning breaks, and Adam is back on the road, this time along Highway 395. A route rich with history. This road was once a gateway for emigrants heading west, searching for new beginnings. Each mile carries the weight of those dreams, and as Adam drives, he can feel the stories of resilience and hope along the way. From the dry Nevada desert to the green forests of Oregon, the landscape transforms before his eyes. It's one of those moments when nature makes you stop and take it all in. The towering mountains, the rushing rivers, and the beauty of the open road. After days on the road, Adam reaches Vancouver, BC. His next mission? A huge, oversized shipment bound for the copper mines in northern Canada. New challenges await, navigating mountain passes and remote roads where few trucks dare to go. The load secured, Adam is ready to tackle the final leg of this epic journey. Ahead lies rugged terrain, but also the promise of adventure. Heading north through Alberta's Jasper National Park, Adam's journey takes him through some of the most breathtaking landscapes Canada has to offer. Majestic mountains, untouched forests, and wildlife that seems to roam freely. After miles of open road and countless memories, Adam finally reaches the copper mine. It's remote, it's tough, but it's a place where hard work and dedication are etched into the very landscape. This mine, nestled in northern Canada, is more than just a destination. It's a testament to the resilience of the people who work here. Each piece of copper they extract tells a story of grit, determination, and the tough spirit of the North. But the journey never truly ends. The open road always calls, and with it, the promise of new challenges and new adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, every road has a story, and it's up to you to discover it. Thanks for joining Adam's incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more road stories and adventures. Until the next trip, stay curious and keep chasing the horizon.